Mechanics Monster Buggies toy for the kids of age 7 years and above. The dimensions of this product are 26.3 centimeters of length by 20.2 centimeters of width by 4 centimeters of height, and it weighs 14 grams. This educational toy teaches and builds fine motor skills, logical thinking, cognitive thinking, creativity, dexterity, and problem-solving skills in kids. This toy is perfect for beginners as it is easy to construct and helps to gain confidence across age groups, thereby enhancing the ability to build something exciting with real-life tools. The product carries a detailed manual to enable the user to learn the basics of fitting and also guide them through the process to build 6 unique models by using 75 parts that include nuts, bolts, a screwdriver, and a spanner. The toy set includes extra nuts and bolts so that a few missing pieces do not ruin the fun. The toy is made from high-quality steel and superior plastics. The toy does not require a battery. For further information, visit the product detail page.